Welcome to TDS Online Math. Okay, in today's tutorials, we are going to look at this 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, this one we have to find the determinant. Okay, this one is a determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, now let's get started. All right, now we have the rows and the columns here. Okay, so we have row 1, row 2, then we have column 1, column 2, and then column 3. All right, now before we can solve this, there is a pattern that we need to follow. Okay, so if we are to go this way, we have plus, minus, plus. Okay, so if I stand here, okay, I've dissolved this and dissolved that, so I've left it this. Okay, so I have, so I stood here, so it will be x minus 3, okay, times, so the determinant of this, x plus 5 minus 1, 6, x minus 2. Now what is the sign here? The sign here is plus, so this side is positive. Okay, now let's go to the scan line. So we started from here, so we will come here, and once we stand here, we will dissolve this and dissolve this side. It's behaving like this T shape. Okay, and don't forget the sign here is minus, so we have minus, and what is here? 1, so minus 1. So determinant of this and that, so that will be minus 7, minus 1, minus 6, x minus 2. Okay, all right, now let's go to the next one. So we have minus 1, so we dissolve this side and dissolve this side, and the sign here is plus, so plus minus 1 will be still minus 1. Okay, so we have this minus 7, x plus 5 minus 6, 6 equal to 0. All right, so we have this. We need to solve for x. Okay, now don't forget that when we are given determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix like x, y, c, d, okay, so we multiply the leading diagonal minus the other one, so we have xd minus cy. Okay, that's that. So we are going to run through all of them, okay, with the same procedure. Okay, so we have x minus 3, so times, remember this will multiply that, so we have, let me use this, so this time that will be x plus 5 times x minus 2 minus this time that minus 6, so that will be plus 6. Okay, let me put the minus 6 there first. Now the next one will be minus 1, so this time that will be, I have to be very careful here, so it will be minus 7 times x minus 2 minus, so this time that with 6. We have the last one, minus 1, this time that 7, 6, 42, so minus 42 minus, okay, this time that, so we have minus 6 times x. Okay, let's do it together. So we have minus 6x minus 30 equal to 0. So we have got 0 over there. Okay. All right. So we have x minus 3. Okay. So let's look at the expansion here. X squared minus 2x. We have plus 5x minus 10. So let me put this one plus 6 minus 1. So this side will be minus 7x plus 14 minus 6 minus 1. So we have minus 42. This side will be plus 6x plus 30 equals to 0. Okay, so let's simplify this. So we have x squared plus 3x minus 4. So x minus 3 x squared plus 3x. And this side will be minus 10 plus 6. That will be minus 4. Minus 4. Okay. And we have minus 1 as well. Okay, this one is close. So this side, the next one will be minus 1. Minus 1 times. So we have minus 7x and plus 8. So minus 7x plus 8. And the last one have minus 1 here, 6x, then minus 12. Minus 12 equal to 0. Let's confirm it. So 42 minus 42 here. As simple as that. Okay, so let's expand the bracket here. So we have, let's go again, x minus 3, x squared plus 3x minus 4. So plus 7x minus 8 minus 6x plus 12 equal to 0. So let's expand. X cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 3x squared minus 9x minus plus 12 plus 7x minus 8 minus 6x plus 12 equal to 0. All right, this one is behaving like a polynomial. Okay, so we have a degree of 3. So let's start with the highest power, s cube. So this one, let me use this one color. So we have this one canceling this. Okay, so minus 4, minus 9, and minus 6. So we have minus 13 minus 6, so minus 19. Minus 19x. So we have plus 7x here. So 7x. Okay, so we are done with this. We are done with this. We are done with this. This one as well. So I'll be left with 12. 12. So this side will be 4. So plus 4 will be 16. So 12, 12, 12, 24 minus 8, 16. So we have x. So this side will be minus 12 plus 16 equal to 0. All right, from here we can write this one as s cube minus 12x equals to minus 16. Okay, now we want to adjust this minus 16 here. Okay, now 8 minus 24, okay, is minus 16. Okay, so in place of minus 16, I'll put 8 minus 24 there. So x cubed minus 12x, the same as 8 minus 24. X cubed minus 12x, 8 minus 24. Now from here, we can say that this one got that. Okay, from here, we can write 8 as 2 to the power 3. So we can write this one as 2 to the power 3 minus 24. 12x, x cubed, then we have minus here. Now let's send this one in. Okay, now I want to arrive at difference of cubes when we're given a cube minus b cube, the same as a minus b, and we have a squared minus ab plus b squared. That's that. So when we're given something like this, we can arrange it as s cube minus 2 cube. Okay, so minus 12x plus 24 equal to 0. So we have this. So we can write this one as x minus 2. Then we have x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared 4. Then we have minus 12x plus 24 equals to 0. All right. Now we can write this one as x minus 2. Okay, so we have x squared plus 2x plus 4, and this side we can make it minus 12 out, x minus 2, okay, equals to 0. So let's close this one. Okay, so we have this one times. Now we can do some amendment here. We can factorize x minus 2 here. Okay, so we have x minus 2. Okay, let me remove the bracket first. So we have x minus 2 and we have this, so I will leave with x squared plus 2x plus 4 minus 12, okay, equals to 0. So in going back, this one multiply this and multiply that, so I've done nothing. So with the 0 product, x minus 2 equal to 0, or x squared plus 2x, so we have minus 8 equal to 0 this side. So x minus 2 equal to 0, x is 2. So the first solution is x equals to 2. Now let's look at the other solutions. X squared plus 2x minus 8. X squared plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So you have minus 8. So let's find two numbers when we multiply them to give us minus 8. And when we add to give us coefficient of x. So minus 2 and 4. Okay. When we add to be plus 2, but when we multiply to be minus 8. So we have x squared, then to be minus 2x plus 4x. This side will be 2x minus 8 equal to 0. So we have x out, x minus 2. So we have plus 4, x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 2, x plus 4 equal to 0. So x minus 2, x plus 2, this side will be 2, and then we have minus 4. So we have a repeated value here. X equals to x equals 2, and we have x equals minus 4. So we have repeated value, x equals 2, okay, repeated value, then x equals to minus 4. Alright, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. Alright, so thanks for watching.